India has filed an impleadment application in the Dominican court. An application has been filed by the CBI and another by the Ministry of External Affairs. The Central Bureau of Investigation will be focusing on the PNB case to establish Choksi's fugitive status. MEA will be focusing meanwhile on Choksi's Indian citizen status as well. And if these impleadment allegations are allowed, Harish Salve, a renowned lawyer, will be representing both the CBI and the MEA. Indian officials from different agencies will be assisting him. Munish Pandey with further details on that. Munish, what are these impleadment allegations mean with regard to the legal process that India is all set to follow? And importantly, how will the CBI and the MEA really put forth their view?
Well, Pooja, there are two important points. First of all, remember Mehul Choksi is in a different country and India wants a representation in the court of Dominica, which is very rare, and that is why these impleadment applications are filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation and the Ministry of External Affairs. Now, in these impleadment applications, what India wants that these applications should be allowed by the Dominican court, and if these applications are allowed, then Mr. Harish Salve will be representing Indian government. Now, when he will be representing Indian government, then on behalf of Central Bureau of Investigation, he will be focusing on how Mehul Choksi is a criminal and how he is a fugitive. And once the court matters are decided in Dominica, he should be sent back to India by a deportation method. Now, apart from that, he will also be focusing on why Mehul Choksi should be only sent to India and not to Antigua. And that is where the role of Ministry of External Affairs will come, where the application which has been filed by MEA will focus on how Mehul Choksi is an Indian citizen. Now, as far as Mehul Choksi is concerned, remember he is using all the delaying tactics to make sure that he stays in Dominica. His bail was rejected by the Dominican High Court yesterday, and what India is hoping that they have a bright chance to get back Mehul Choksi, who is a fraudster and who is accused of defrauding more than 13,500 crore. Also, the last point is that there are two teams of Central Bureau of Investigation, Ministry of External Affairs, and from other agencies. They are in UK to assist Mr. Harish Salve, and also they are in Dominica to make sure that if there is any development, then Mehul Choksi should not get out of the clutches of India.
There are teams in the United Kingdom, there are teams in Dominica, and there are different legal procedures that are being now put forward by the Indian government. But of course, everybody will want to wait for the conclusion to have him extradited if possible. And when will that happen? Munish Pandey, thank you so much for all the latest. Mehul